Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to cook on Red Dead Redemption 2. So to cook, you must set up the camp at first. So all you have to do is just hold the tab button on your keyboard. And while holding the tab button, switch it to items, pressing R. And you can see your campfire right here at this section. Just select it and release the tab button to use it. And another note, to use the campfire, you must be in a quiet area or the area there is no activity going on. So be careful for that. So as you set up the camp, you can see the options in the right bottom corner. And go for the option, craft items, pressing R. And also, in this menu, the provision section, you can see the option where the recipes are there that you can cook. For right now, I have only this that I can cook. So to cook it, just select it. And also, you can boost your cooking holding space on your keyboard. And either you can eat it or just store it in your satchel. So guys, that's how you cook on Red Dead Redemption 2. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.